Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Raf for Mr. English, and in today's lesson, we're going to talk a little bit about WH questions, okay? Now, before I talk about WH questions, let's see the different type of questions that there are in English, okay? So the first type, they're called yes/no questions, okay? Let's take a look at an example. Are you from England? Yes, I am from England. No, I'm not from England. Now please pay attention. It's necessary to use yes or no in the answer. You see, you have to use yes or no in the answer, okay? Only two possibilities for yes/no questions. Yes or no. All right? Now, there is a difference when you use WH questions. Let's see a question with WH. Where are you from? The WH question here is where, okay? So, where are you from? I'm from England. I'm from Germany. You see, you need to give more information. In a WH question, it's impossible to say yes or no in the answer. You need to give a complete answer, and you have to give more information, okay? Now, let's take a look at the different WH questions, okay? The first one we're going to talk about is what. Now, we use what for general information, okay? So, questions about name, phone number, address, profession, etc., okay? Let's take a look at some examples. What's your name? My name is Mr. English. What's your phone number? My phone number is... What do you do? I'm a teacher. Now, so what we use for general information, questions about general information. Okay, guys, let's go to the next WH question. Where? Now, where we use to ask about places and locations, okay? Let's take a look at some examples. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. Where do you live? I live in Italy. Where's the car? It's in the garage. So once again, where we use for questions about places or locations. Let's go to the next WH question. When we use to talk about dates, days, months, years, etc. Okay? Let's see some examples. When's your birthday? It's on January 1st. And that's true, guys. Remember that. When's your English class? Every Monday and Wednesday. When do you go shopping? I go shopping on weekends. So you see, I use when for dates, days, months, years, okay? Now pay attention, this is very important, okay, guys? Now, when you ask about the correct time, we use what time is it, okay? So remember, to ask about time, the correct time, you have to use what time is it. Let's go on to the next WH question. Who? Now, we use who in questions about a person or people, okay? Let's see some examples. Who's your favorite singer? My favorite singer is John Mayer. Who's that tall man? That's my brother. Who's your favorite actor? Cuba Gooding Jr. Now, remember, who we use for questions about people or a person, okay? Let's go on to the next one. We're going to talk about why. Now, we use why for questions about reason, okay? Let me give you some examples. Why are you late? Because the traffic is terrible. Why are you studying? I have a test tomorrow. Why is he in bed? Because he's sick. Now pay attention here, guys. All right, this is important information. We use why in the question, okay? But we use because in the answer. So, why are you late? Because the traffic is terrible, okay? Now let's go on to the next one. How. Now, we use how to talk about manner, condition, or quality. I'm going to give you one example from each, okay? Let's take a look. How is your food? It's delicious. This is a question about quality. How is your food? How do I turn on the TV? Press the red button. How do I turn on the TV is a question about manner, okay? And how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. How are you today is a question about condition, okay? Well, guys, for today, that's it. Don't forget to do the activities, practice, and remember, always use your English. Bye-bye.